In today's world, maintaining a healthy weight can be a challenge. We are constantly bombarded with tempting treats and often lead busy lives that leave little time for exercise. Many people struggle to achieve their weight loss goals, even with dedicated effort. This is where SEROBURN comes in. SEROBURN is a weight management supplement designed to support your body's natural fat-burning processes. It aims to help you achieve your weight loss goals by boosting your metabolism and increasing energy levels. This can lead to more calories burned throughout the day, even without making drastic changes to your diet or exercise routine. SEROBURN's unique formula combines natural ingredients, many of which have been traditionally used for their health benefits. These ingredients work synergistically to provide a multifaceted approach to weight management. SEROBURN is not a magic pill, but rather a tool that can help you take control of your weight and improve your overall well-being. If you're ready to embark on your weight loss journey, SEROBURN could be the support system you need to reach your goals and live a healthier, happier life. Remember, achieving a healthy weight is a marathon, not a sprint, and SEROBURN can be your trusted companion every step of the way. SEROBURN's effectiveness lies in its carefully selected ingredients. Metabolism converts food into energy. A faster metabolism burns more calories. Green tea extract boosts metabolism. Caffeine enhances metabolic rate. Consult your healthcare provider. While individual experiences may vary, SEROBURN's claims are backed by scientific research and clinical studies that shed light on the effectiveness of its key ingredients. Numerous studies have investigated the potential benefits of green tea extract for weight loss. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed green tea extract daily experienced a significant reduction in body weight and body mass index compared to those who received a placebo. These findings suggest that green tea extract can play a role in promoting healthy weight management. Furthermore, caffeine, another key ingredient in SEROBURN, has been widely studied for its effects on metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism demonstrated that caffeine consumption led to a significant increase in energy expenditure and fat oxidation, supporting its potential as a weight management aid. It's important to note that while these studies highlight the potential benefits of SEROBURN's ingredients, more research is always being conducted to further understand their long-term effects and optimal dosages. As with any supplement, consulting with your healthcare provider before incorporating SEROBURN into your routine is crucial. The SEROBURN experience benefits and potential considerations. When considering SEROBURN as part of your weight management strategy, it's essential to have a clear understanding of its potential benefits and any possible side effects. Many users report positive experiences with SEROBURN, highlighting benefits such as increased energy levels, reduced appetite, and a boost in their metabolism. The combination of green tea extract and caffeine in SEROBURN can provide a natural energy boost, helping you power through your day and stay active. This increased energy can also contribute to improved mood and motivation, making it easier to stick to your fitness goals. Some users also report that SEROBURN helps curb their appetite, making it easier to manage cravings and stick to a healthy eating plan. However, as with any supplement, there are potential side effects to consider. Some users may experience mild side effects such as headaches, jitters, or difficulty sleeping, particularly when first starting SEROBURN or taking it in higher doses. These side effects are often temporary and can be minimized by starting with a lower dosage and gradually increasing it as needed. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting SEROBURN, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. Real people, real results. SEROBURN testimonials and reviews. Real people share their success with SEROBURN, highlighting weight loss, energy boosts, and improved well-being. Sarah and John recount their journeys, praising SEROBURN for exceeding expectations and aiding their weight loss goals. While results vary, these testimonials showcase SEROBURN's positive impact on many. SEROBURN versus the rest, a comparative look at weight loss solutions. With countless weight loss supplements flooding the market, it's understandable to feel overwhelmed when trying to choose the right one for you. Comparing SEROBURN to other popular options can provide valuable insights and help you make an informed decision. Unlike some weight loss supplements that rely on harsh stimulants or unproven ingredients, SEROBURN stands out for its natural formula and scientifically backed ingredients. SEROBURN's combination of green tea extract, caffeine, and other natural extracts offers a comprehensive approach to weight management, targeting multiple aspects of metabolism and energy expenditure. Furthermore, SEROBURN's commitment to transparency and quality sets it apart from competitors. The company provides detailed information about its ingredients, manufacturing processes, and clinical studies on its website, allowing consumers to make informed decisions about their health. Choosing the right weight loss supplement is a personal decision, and what works best for one person may not be suitable for another. It's crucial to consider your individual needs, consult with your healthcare provider, and research different options before making a decision. SEROBURN, your path to a healthier you. Navigating the world of weight loss can feel like an uphill battle, but SEROBURN offers a helping hand on your journey towards a healthier you. Its unique blend of natural ingredients, backed by scientific research and positive customer testimonials, presents a compelling case for its potential effectiveness. SEROBURN's ability to boost metabolism, increase energy levels, and potentially curb appetite can provide valuable support as you strive to achieve your weight loss goals. While individual results may vary, and it's not a magic bullet, SEROBURN can be a valuable tool when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. As with any supplement, it's crucial to approach SEROBURN with realistic expectations and consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your routine. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage, assess potential interactions with other medications, and ensure it aligns with your overall health goals. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to try SEROBURN is a personal one. By arming yourself with knowledge about its ingredients, potential benefits, and possible side effects, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your individual weight loss journey and sets you on the path to a healthier, happier you.